this is Abby from the Oak Creek Library, and I just wanted to do a quick step-by-step tutorial for this Star Wars lantern takeout craft. Some of the steps are a little complicated, so I thought it would be best to show a little video of how to put one together, and then you can craft along with me. So in your kit you should have 2 sheets of black paper, 2 sheets of white paper, 4 vellums, and then a glue stick. So the first step is going to be cutting out. I'm going to be cutting out the white R2-D2 lanterns because they're the easiest to see on camera. So what you want to do is cut on the edge, on the solid line around the lantern. So I'm going to quick do that and then come right back. Alright, I got my 2 sides all cut out on the solid lines, and our next step is going to be cutting out the shape in the middle here. So this is a little tricky because we need to cut it out without cutting into the paper lantern itself. So I'm going to show you the technique that I usually use when I want to make a hole in order to cut out a shape. So if I take my scissors and I keep them closed, and I'm going to keep my paper down flat on the table, take my scissors and kind of push down in the middle of this shape, and then I'm going to keep pushing down with my scissors, and I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to lift it up a little bit, but watch out for your fingers. Just lift it up a little bit, keep pushing down, and eventually you're going to make a little hole. And this hole is what you're going to use to get in there and cut out your shape. So what you want to do is open up your scissors and then kind of stick your bottom blade in there, and then you can start to cut. You can make different cuts to kind of get into that shape a little bit, and then you can start cutting out. So I'm going to pause real quick, cut this out, and then I'll be right back. Alright, at this point you should have 2 sides with both of your shapes cut out. Some of these shapes can be a little bit intricate, but take your time and do your best. And then now I'm going to show you how to place the vellum in the inside of the lantern. And this is like the see-through part of the lantern. So I'm going to pick out my 2 R2-D2 vellums. And as you can see, this is a little bit big. It kind of overlaps here. So I want to trim off a little bit of the edge with my scissors, but not too much, because I don't want to get into the shape. I'm just going to trim off a little bit so it fits nicely on the lantern. Like so. Alright. So you can see that the shapes line up with the R2-D2 cutout. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my vellum off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to glue around the edge of the shape. And it's always nice to work on a surface that you can get a little messy and you can glue right on top. So you could slip a piece of paper underneath there, or you could work on a surface that you're okay with getting messy. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the edge. Don't worry that it's purple, it will dry clear. And then a little bit on top too to kind of hold that vellum in place. And I'm going to line it up. As you can see, all those shapes are in the right place. I'm going to smooth it down. Like so. If you have any like pieces that are a little too big or that are flipping up a little bit, you can kind of lift up your vellum, put a little bit of glue under there, and then stick it back down. So I'm going to repeat this with my other shape, and then I'll be right back. Alright, I have both glued down, and I just want to remind you that you want to be gluing on the inside. So the inside is going to be where you see the lines, because we're going to be folding that inside and you won't be seeing it. Alright, so I'm going to take one of these and I'm going to start my folding process. So as you can see, each lantern has these dashed lines, and I want to be folding on these dashed lines, kind of get it ready to be put together. So I'm going to go ahead and just fold everything inside. So you want that dashed line to be what is in the inside of the fold. And this, you want to be nice and crisp with your lines too. That will help it to hold up and keep its shape. So once again, folding everything to the inside. Inside on this one. Folding in, folding in. And then there's like little flaps on the sides of these guys too, so I'm gonna fold those in as well. that one's all prepped to go. And then I'm gonna repeat with my other side, and then we're gonna start gluing together. So I got everything folded and I want to start gluing together. So I flipped these from the inside to the outside, so I have a better understanding of where the tabs go, because we want all the tabs to be glued in the inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with one side here, and we'll work my way from the bottom to the top. It works best that way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to find this tab on the bottom here on one side. I'm going to add some glue. Then I'm going to take this side and I'm going to line it up to that side. Nice and flush there with that side. Glue it down. And then I'm going to repeat to the other side, but then we're going to have to start making that 3D shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually flip it over. I'm going to take this tab, fold it down, because I want the glue to go on the outside of this shape, because it's going to be glued on the inside. I'm going to take it, we're going to start forming our lantern. Helps if you stick your hand in there a little bit, help it stick. Alrighty. So now it's kind of a mess up here. It helps if you take the tops and kind of fold them down a little bit. So you see what you're working with. Alright, so the next part is we're going to be gluing these trapezoid shapes with these little tabs. You can see these tabs here and these tabs here. So once again, we're going to be adding the glue on the outside here. So actually I'm going to do it right here so you can see. Glue to this tab, glue to this tab. And I'm going to take this other side and glue it to there. And some of these pieces can be tricky. You can always fold them out to get at the part that you're trying to glue. Alright, that's good. I'm going to add a little bit more glue here since that took me a little while to do. But sometimes they like to pop up because they're not quite stuck. Just hold it there for a couple seconds. Here, I'm going to go for this side now. Glue down, and then repeat on the other side here. So adding glue to this tab, gluing down. Alright, the last step of our process here is to glue down the tabs on the top here. So these are like the curved ones here, and what we want to do is add glue right here, and then glue this square to this side here like that. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue. Glue down, hold it, repeat over here, glue, hold it, on all the sides. This last one, if you do both of them at the same time, usually that works a little bit better. I'm gonna hold it down. Alright, and then your lantern should look something like this when you are done. The last step is to make sure that your lantern actually works as a lantern. So make sure, take your tea light. There's going to be a little pink tab in here. You want to pull it out to activate the battery. Turn your light on. Place it on a flat surface. Put your lantern over the top, and it should glow through the vellum and make a really cool lantern. I want to thank you so much for picking up this takeout kit, and we look forward to you taking out further kits in the future.